Hi friends! Today I'm going to be tinting my brows. So first we're going to start out by brushing them, and then I am going to just outline them. I'm doing this very graciously because I'm tinting them. This looks a little crazy, but I promise you the process works. Also, side note, I got this tint kit off of Amazon, and I will link it in the description bar for you guys. Okay, and now I am extending the front part of my brows just because, again, we are tinting them, and this is just kind of the outline for me to go off of. And then, of course, we're going to clean it up. And I'm cleaning this up because I'm going to go in with the tweezers next, and I'm going to get rid of just the crazy hairs that really don't need to be there. I probably should have just waxed my brows at this point, but here we are. Oh well, plucking's going to do for now. Does anybody else neglect their eyebrows, like to this point? This is sped up. Okay, now I'm going to take that tint kit and I'm just going to pack that onto my brows. I'm going to follow my outline, going to make sure I stay in between the lines. And you see me dip into that a couple times. That is because I'm just grabbing more of the product and I'm really packing it on. And then, of course, once we're done packing it on, we're going to clean up those edges. Super important to clean up the edges. You leave it on for 3 minutes. Then I'm taking some of my Thayer's Witch Hazel and I'm just putting it on a cotton ball and wiping it off. And of course, now we move on to the other eyebrow. Of course, this is self-explanatory, so I won't talk again here. Next, I'm going to throw on some of my favorite Beauty Counter mascara. It is the best mascara ever, I promise. But yeah, that's it. Super easy. Tint your eyebrows, throw on some mascara, and you are good to go for the day. And the tint lasts for like 2 weeks for me, so not too bad.